Hi guys, I hope that you were able to set up your Webassign account with no problems. I just wanted to really quickly do a video and show you what you will be doing on Webassign. This is what your home screen should look like once you log in. Right here underneath My Assignments is where you are seeing your current assignment. So the homework for tonight is 1.5 Combinations of Functions. Please note that there are two sections that say 1.5. We're working on the homework. The homework has 10 problems, while the quiz has only 5. However, the quiz is significantly harder and it will not provide you with as much support as the homework. So the mandatory homework is to complete 1.5 homework, and then if you want some extra practice, go ahead and work on the quiz as well. So once you click on the combinations of functions, you will be able to see that you have a total of 11 questions. As soon as you work out a question, it will mark it as correct or incorrect. Please note that you have 5 tries for each one of the questions. The very first one is a graph question. So for this one, I'm going to help you just a little bit. You are adding 2 functions. Well, the function is really the y value. So for each one of these points, you want to add up their y value. Right here, I have a y value of 1, and I am adding this to a y value of -2. Well, that gives me a -1. This new function y value happens at x equals to -2. So if I want to graph the sum of the 2 functions, at -2, I am going to plot a y value of -1. To use the line segment tool, you will be clicking this little drop down underneath, right next to the line, and then just click on the line segment. It is the third tool. And then you can go ahead and plot your lines. You are essentially adding each of the y values and putting them on the graph. Okay. Once you are done with the graph, you are going to submit your answer, and it will automatically tell you whether it is correct or not. Now, if I were to add another line on here, now I can go ahead and submit my answer. Well, it's still counted as correct. Every now and then, a Webassign does not read things correctly. If you believe that your answer is right and it is marking you wrong, what I want you to do is at the top of the question, I want you to hit Ask Your Teacher. When you do that, just send me a brief message of what the problem is, and I will be able to see it associated with your name. It will open with the question so that I can see exactly what you're referring to. For the next question, you guys can read through and see exactly what the problem is. Let's say you try it however you understand. If you're not sure what to do, then you can always click on either of these links. You can read it, in which case your textbook is going to load. It should automatically open to a page that has a similar example or the definition. Please note that there are also these little video links where you can have a teacher explain that concept all over again. I'm going to go back to the Webassign page. There is also a watch it on some of the examples. If you click on the watch it, a video should load with an example that is just like the one given in the problem, but with different values. Okay, so tons of different resources that you can use on Webassign. Your goal is to be able to get 10 correct questions out of those 11. If you get all 11, then you are getting an extra credit point. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to just ask your teacher. Send me your message.